Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. So I don't have any subscriptions to open right now, but I did get a gift in the mail, which came in this beautiful box. I'm like, you know what? I think some of you guys would like to see this too. This is by a brand I've received in subscription boxes before, Holy Santo. I've received some herbs and teas from them. And this is their Stay Wild Moonchild Celestial Mug set. So it comes with an amethyst spoon and a tea steeper. And look how beautiful this box is. Oh my god, thank you so much for sending this to me. I'm so excited. I saw pictures online. Yeah, beautiful. Had to share. I'll link it down below. Oh, drink up, witches. I love it. It's beautiful. So, sorry, a little reflective. Holy Santo, we heart you, which is why we wanted to surprise you with a second adorable spoon. Oh, that's so sweet. This bewitching little teaspoon has captured hearts everywhere, and we thought an extra one would make you smile. Want to learn more about tea magic? That's so cool. So they have a free ebook, holysanto.com/tea. And they have some special mug care instructions, hand wash only, and they have a Facebook group where you can save on your next order. So if you guys want to scan that, like take a screenshot and then scan it, if you're interested in this product, you can get it for 10% off if you join their Facebook group, apparently. So super cool. I think that is so cute. Oh my god, I'm excited. Oh my gosh, bigger than I thought it would be. That's what she said. This looks so cute. Oh my god, you guys. This is the mug. It is so beautiful. Stay Wild Moonchild. And we have the spoons inside. This is large. Like, oh my god, I'm totally making tea right after this. I don't know if you can tell on camera. I think you can. Like that. What's not holographic? Kind of. Looks like that. This is so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm going to use this all the time. Like every day. Right now I pretty much use the same mug every day even though I have a bunch. This is like this season's mug. I love it. Yay! Now let's look at the little spoons that come with it. That's so cool. They gave an extra one. Oh my god, this is so cute. I love it. So there's amethyst on it. Look at the detail. This is so beautiful. Oh my god, I love using these to scoop up like my tea leaves. But I don't have any that have crystals on it. I love amethyst. That design, oh my gosh. Beautiful. And then, what do we have in here? And then this is, yeah, so you can use this to like scoop up your loose leaf tea and then put it into your little ball here. And this has amethyst on it too, I think. Let's see. Yes. Oh, so beautiful. I have one of these that has clear quartz on it. I don't really know. I think the clear quartz came off. I don't know what happened to that one, but I am so happy to have this. This is so beautiful. Amethyst is the best. This is going to be perfect for making like special teas for divination and stuff like that, because amethyst, but really anything, coffee. But I love this set. Oh my god, thank you so much. So I love these too. These are so convenient. Let's put it in the hole. I'm making myself laugh. So you just put it in here, and then you'll have your amethyst hanging off. This is so cute. Oh my god, you guys, I love this. I will link this down below. I have some mugwort by Holy Santo, some tarot tea. I think I got pretty much all of my Holy Santo stuff from God's Provisions, which is like my favorite subscription box. So awesome. I love this. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I'll be back with subscription boxes soon. I'm not sure if I'll get any before the holidays. So if you celebrate Thanksgiving and I'm not back before then, I hope you have a great time. I am grateful for each and every one of you. I love you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye.